two accounts. One has 900,000 followers. The other has 2,000. They post the exact same video, and the small account reaches more people. That sounds impossible. It isn't. It's exactly how the Instagram and TikTok algorithms are built to work in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll be able to look at any post, yours, mine, anyone's, and know precisely why it reached 200 people or 200,000. No guru myths, no guesswork, just what the platforms actually say in their own words. Let's get into it. Here's the one idea that makes everything else click. Most people picture the algorithm as a judge that scores your account, build a big following, earn a high rank, unlock more reach. That is backwards. There is no permanent score. Every single video you post starts a brand new audition. From zero. Instagram describes it almost word for word like this. Your content is first shown to a small audience it thinks will enjoy it. As people engage, the best performing videos get shown to a slightly wider audience. Then the best of those get shown to an even wider group, and so on. Read that again, because it is the whole game. Your video does not inherit your follower count. It walks on stage in front of a tiny crowd, and it has to earn the next bigger room. Over and over and over. A small account and a huge account both start their audition in a small room. The only question the algorithm is asking is, did this specific video earn the next room? So the real question was never, how do I beat the algorithm? It's what makes a video pass each round. And for that, the platforms have told us exactly what they measure. Let's kill the biggest myth first, because it is actively holding you back. Follower count. TikTok could not be more direct about this. In their own newsroom, they write, and I'm quoting, "Neither follower count nor whether the account has had previous high-performing videos are direct factors in the recommendation system. Let that land, not your followers, not the fact that your last video went viral. Neither one is in the formula that decides who sees your next video." Now, Instagram is a little more nuanced, and I am going to be honest with you exactly where most videos oversimplify. Instagram does list number of followers as one popularity signal it can use to help find good content. So on Instagram, followers are not nothing. But, and this is everything, they are not the gate. Instagram's entire recommendation update was built to, quote, "give all creators a more equal chance of breaking through to new audiences." They said out loud that big accounts and reposters used to get too much reach and that they wanted to correct it. So here's the honest version for both apps. Followers might help decide who sees your video first. They do not decide how far it travels. That part is earned. Every single time. So if it isn't followers, what is it? Let's start with TikTok, because they have published the clearest breakdown anywhere. TikTok scores every video for every user on three kinds of signals. 1. Your interactions, the videos you like, share, and comment on, the accounts you follow, the content you create. 2. Video information, the captions, the sounds, the hashtags. And 3. Your device and account settings, your language, your country, your device type. But here's the part that actually matters. Those signals are not equal. TikTok says they are weighted in top. And they gave one specific example that tells you everything. A strong signal, their example, is whether a user finishes watching a longer video from beginning to end. A weak signal, their example, is whether the viewer and the creator happen to be in the same country. Finishing your video is a powerful vote. Being in the same country barely registers. All of those signals get combined into what TikTok calls a prediction score. An estimate of how likely you are to interact with a given video. It ranks every video by that score, highest to lowest, and builds your feed from the top. There is even a leaked internal document one TikTok confirmed was real to the New York Times, showing the actual formula weighted time spent watching, repeat views, and whether you pause the video the most heavily of all. Different source, exact same message, watch time is king. Now, Instagram. And the first thing to understand is that there is no single Instagram algorithm. In their own words, each part of the app, feed, stories, explore, reels, runs its own algorithm, tuned to how people use that surface. But for reels, the reach engine, the head of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, told us the three signals that matter most. Watch time, likes, and sends. as in sending a reel to a friend in a direct message. And the relationship between those last two is the single most useful thing in this entire video. Mosseri said likes are slightly more important for reaching your existing followers, but sends are more important for reaching people who do not follow you. Sit with what that means. A like tells Instagram your followers approve. A send, someone caring enough to fire your video into a friend's DMs. That is the signal that opens the door to a brand new audience. It is the most reliable driver of reach they have ever pointed to. Now, a quick honesty check because you will see this claim everywhere. People say a send is worth 5 times a like. Mosseri never said that. He said slightly. Do not chase a made-up multiplier, just burn in the direction. Watch time keeps you in the audition. And sends are what move you up to the bigger room. Okay, so a brand new video with no history, no likes, no data at all. How does it get its very first views? This is the audition beginning. The platform shows it to a small test group it predicts might be interested. And crucially, that group is not limited to your followers. Then it watches what happens. Did people finish it? Did they send it? If yes, the room gets bigger. If they scrolled past in the first second, the audition quietly ends right there. Now I have to be straight with you, because this is the most folklore-infested corner of the entire internet. You have heard TikTok tests every video on exactly 200 to 500 people. You have heard you need 70% completion to go viral. Those specific numbers, no platform has ever published them, not once. They are guesses that got repeated so many times they started to sound like facts. The real sourced mechanic is just this. Seed it to a small group, then expand based on how the video performs. No magic threshold. And that is actually freeing, because it means there is no secret number to game. There is only, did people watch and did they share? Now let's talk about the thing everyone is quietly terrified of, the shadow ban. Here is the truth straight from the head of Instagram in one sentence. Shadow banning is not a thing. His words. Instagram says that for your own followers, they do not limit your reach at all. So what is actually happening when your views fall off a cliff? It is not a secret punishment. It is that your content became ineligible to be recommended to people who don't follow you. That is a real specific status, and and here's the part almost nobody knows. You can check it. Instagram built a screen called Account Status that tells you directly whether your content is eligible to be recommended to non-followers. Go and look at it. So what makes you ineligible? This is the list that genuinely matters. Reposted content, video you didn't make, or that still carries another app's watermark. TikTok says content with someone else's visible watermark is ineligible for the For You feed. Full stop. Engagement bait. Like if you agree. Comment yes, tag 3 friends. Meta has openly demoted that since 2017. Clickbait, fact-check misinformation. And while we are here, let me save you a pile of wasted effort. Posting at the perfect time, Mosseri says it barely moves the needle. Stuffing 30 hashtags doesn't boost reach. 3 to 10 focused ones do just as well, and Instagram now caps you at 5 anyway. Link in bio hurts your reach? He called that one flatly false. Here is what changed, and why this is genuinely the best moment in years to be a small creator. In 2024, Instagram rewired recommendations to reward original content and to stop rewarding accounts that simply repost other people's videos. They said it plainly. Creators with big followings and aggregators of reposted content used to get more reach than smaller original creators, and they wanted to correct that. So now, if 2 accounts post the identical video, Instagram recommends only the original. And it directly replaces the repost in recommendations. Repost other people's content 10 or more times in 30 days, and you stop getting recommended at all. And in 2026, they expanded that exact same rule from Reels to photos and carousels too. Think about what that does for you. The platform is now actively hunting for original content from smaller creators to promote. The field tilted toward the person who actually makes something and away from the accounts farming reposts. And original does not mean cinematic, by the way. Instagram's own test is simply whether your edits add real value beyond just restating someone else's content. If you made it or you added your own angle to it, that counts. So let's turn all of that into what you actually do on your very next post. 1. Win the first few seconds and hold the watch. Watch time is the signal both platforms weight the most. The audition doesn't even start until people stay. 2. Make something worth sending, not please share. Genuinely send worthy. A send is what carries you to people who don't follow you yet. 3. Stay original. Make it or add real value to it. No other app watermarks, no straight reposts. Originality is the exact thing the 2026 algorithm is rewarding. And 4. Make one native cut per platform instead of blasting the identical file everywhere, because unoriginal, recycled from another app, is precisely what gets you left out of recommendations. That's the whole thing. Not followers, not posting time, not 30 hashtags. Watch time, sends, and originality. My guy, earned one audition at a time. If this made the algorithm feel a little less like a black box, go ahead and subscribe. It honestly helps this channel pass its own audition. We're Minopa, and we help you show up everywhere on every platform without burning out doing it. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one.